First, what did you do?
Mommy.
G.
Daddy freaking butt. Okay, Daddy freaking butt.
Daddy's gonna spank your butt. Uh-oh.
Okay. What?
Is it slippery slidey?
Yes. You keep messing mud. Keep messing mud.
You're cleaning the mess of the mud?
Yes.
Oh man, look at your feet. You've got mud in your toes.
Money toes.
What are you doing now? Oh, it's slippy slidey. Careful. You've got mud shoes.
Mud shoes. A lot of shoes. And she's messing mud. She's messing shoes.
Let's go wash your hands, Faris. Let's go wash your hands. Come on.
She's messing mud.
Let's clean up the mess of the mud.
Mommy?
G?
Yeah, I
I'm right here.
Mommy!
G?
Ouch!
What happened?
Shoes. Okay?
Yeah, your feet are really dirty.
You monster!
Where's the monster?
Right there!
Oh no!